Data science. So what is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. So there are a lot of steps in data science process. You have to ask the right questions. So when you're talking to the client, you have to make sure that you have all the information to address what the problem statement is. You have to collect data, which is also called as data collection or data acquisitions, from various data sources. The data sources being external sources, internal sources, APIs, RSS, databases, and through web scraping. The next step is data preparation. The data collected have a lot of inconsistencies like missing and duplicate values, misspelled attributes, etc. All these have to be cleaned out and made sure that it is usable. Exploration of data. In this step, you have to figure out what you can do with the data. You have to refine the data and redefine data, and you have to come to a conclusion as to what the parameters could be. Data modeling. You have to apply a machine learning model to the acquired data. Visualization and communication. Since the clients don't understand programming languages, you have to make sure that your data is in a client understandable format like bars, bar graphs, pie charts, etc. Deployment. Once the client is okay with it, you can deploy and maintain your model. Next would be, what is data? Data is basically a piece of information usually formatted in some sort of special way. The data structures, simple data structures would be numeric, boolean and strings. Compound would be dictionaries, lists. Types of data representations. Tabular, it can be tabular, structured, semi-structured, temporal and geolocation data. Statistics. So when you are presenting the information to the client, you have to make sure that you show it in the form of charts or graphs, etc. So when you're plotting, you get mean, median, mode, etc. So usually in statistics, outliers have little significance, but in data science, they affect a lot. So how do mean and median behave at outliers? Outliers affect the mean, but they have a little effect on the median. Here is an example of two data sets and what the median is. Mean and medians are. Mean changes, but median is the same. Visualization. Visualization is nothing but the process of displaying data in the form of charts, graphs, etc. Types of visualizations would be relationship visualization, comparison, composition, and distribution. The rules of visualization would be to minimize chart junk as much as possible, and you have to maximize data to ink ratio, which means that you have to make sure there is more data and less external things. You have to make sure that your labeling is extremely clear.